Guys, before I start this video and before I start making music, I want you to ask yourself, how long does it take for you to find the correct samples and the correct sounds for your beats? Like, I think we can all agree that we as producers are getting sometimes burned out. We are just getting bored of the making melodies because it is how it is. That's how we are making music, because if you are making everything every day the same thing, we are probably getting like tired and stuff like that. So I'm about to show you what sounds you can get in this mega bundle pack and how you can save your time by making some fire industry beats by using the loops, drum kits, MIDI files, using only the pack that I found in this mega bundle special edition bundle. The pack I'm about to use is this Industry Studio Dope pack. I found some very good sounds here, and I'm about to make some fire beats right now using this pack. So let's get to the video. Okay, I found a very good guitar melody. It's called Guitar Pattern, B flat minor, and it's 140 BPM. So let's hear the guitar. I really like it. Already sounds super dope. I think we can make some Gunna type beat using this guitar. And we can also save our time by adding some hi-hat pattern, drum loops, and we can also make your own drum loop here. So I want to add a few effects here on the guitar. I really like when I add chorus on my guitars because they sound very vintage and they sound very good for me. I'm about to add EQ tool here, some reverb as well. And I want also to add a little bit vinyl, maybe, just to make it more retro, like an old sounding guitar. Maybe something like this. With a couple of effects. All these plugins that I used are basically free plugin or they are stock plugins for FL Studio. So I don't want to hear any excuses that you can make a fire guitar by just dragging and dropping the guitar loop and make a fire beat from it, right? Ooh. I just got this fire drum loop pattern. Ooh. Oh, we got some fire things here. Let's use this hi-hat roll pattern, and we are about to make our own drum loop here. Already sounds super dope. Now I'm about to make some bouncy vibe drum loop here. Let's go with the clap. It already sounds super fire. Let's get it. Hey. Let's make some 8/8s here. So we know the key that it's in B flat. add some percussions here, and that's it for this beat. Very easy, very simple. Woo! That came out super dope. Let's hear it. Maybe here. I think that's pretty enough sounds to make this fire interesting beat, and let's check it out. Hey. I hope you guys enjoyed this beat. As you can see, I used hi-hat roll pattern here and this guitar that came out with in the mega bundle pack. I will also put the link to get this bundle pack and to actually make fire beats like this one. A link will be available in the description. Make sure you check it out. See by yourself that you can actually make the beat in less than 5 minutes. High industry beat, especially for you guys who are making daily beats for your YouTube channel and to actually stay consistent every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out these loops here and see by yourself that you can make some fire loops by using MIDI files, fire beats, using drum loops, and make even by yourself on drum beats and drum loops as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next video. Bye.